Yeah, baby, I'm a certified real Zo Papi, Bazinado. I'm a real deal Zo, you know what that mean? Oh yeah, I know you ain't never been with no real Zo, no real gasso. I'm talking about like a Zo that really got a vaccine on their arm though. I'm talking about like being caught by the 4 Haitian man, not the 8 shit one. 509 to the 305, 47 shit, yeah, that's way. Check this out.
Have you ever made love to a real Zo Papi? Yeah, a Zo Papi that fall in love in 24 hours. I wanna know, I'ma make love to you like I'm getting deported. Yeah, make love to you like I'm getting deported. Yeah, if I don't call you, then I'm getting sweetie babies. If I don't call you, then I'm getting sweetie babies.
I done come back straight from Timaché. C'est pas menti, sweetie baby, c'est où me vle. Zo Papi prend numéro dans 2 minutes. Parce qu'on connaît li gen 4 cabrit. Moi te dis moi vraiment. Faut dire moi ça c'est côté m'chita. Au barbecue m'devant toutes amis mieux. Yeah, Kounia. Moi fou dans pour maintenant tout ragé. Faut pas te connaître si li marié à 4 petites in the house. Haïti. Yeah. On pense au tabac manger viens cabrit avec Zamou yo. Au barbecue.
Have you ever made love to a real Zo Papi? Yeah, a Zo Papi that fall in love in 24 hours. I wanna know, I'ma make love to you like I'm getting deported. Yeah, make love to you like I'm getting deported. Yeah, if I don't call you, then I'm getting sweetie babies. If I don't call you, then I'm getting sweetie babies. You think I'm a millionaire? Well, baby, you barbecue. I don't got nothing for you. I'm just trying to get you. I got 2 wives, yeah. International player, that's me. I got Izzy Blue, and you know it's going crazy. It's going down in the DM, sweetie baby. Me and you share, we gonna ride, baby. Haitian man is shit. Whoosh, baby, lying to yourself. You need to get a Zo, cause you know we the best. DJ Khaled barbecue, and you barbecue too. I'm not even mad because you look like a cartoon. Don't worry, Sherry, it's going down. I don't give a flying for sure what is going around. Baby, you barbecue. I already tell you what I wanna do. I want that bonhomme baiser. I want that pickles piqué. Don't forget I want my chicken crispy and my dairy collé. I need a sweetie baby that know how to cook. So I can faire manger chez vous barbecue. Et je suis gon wa, I don't TV 509. Rap comprendre, I don't know rap Kounia. Baby,
Yo!
let's Zo Papi for real, don't worry.
Kounia, where's your name?
Oh man, I got 4, 5, 10, 15 cabrit in the house. 15 cabrit, baby. Yeah, as a farm.
Oh, you got a whole farm?
Bad, baby, bad. Bad.
Oh! Passe me pas de moi! Passe me pas de moi! Passe! Passe!